Learn how to replace the battery in tester line instruments. When the instrument displays the message low battery, it's necessary to insert a new battery to continue using the meter. To do this, simply remove the fixing screw of the battery compartment cover using a Phillips screwdriver. After removing the cover, you'll have access to the battery. Just remove it from the compartment and disconnect it from the power clip. To connect the new battery, pay attention to the polarity of the battery and the power clip. And then insert the battery into the compartment. Finally, replace the cover and the screw. Now your instrument is ready for use again.